So let me show you how to set up your own custom domain. Go to your account page in Tella and then scroll down, and then you'll see this option for a custom domain here. You can click customize, but if you're new to Tella Premium, then you'll probably want to set up your branding first. So click customize there. Here is what my custom branding looks like. And once you've got all that set up and you've got it looking all good, then you can just head down to this little option here and you can set up your custom domain just like this. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to decide when you set up your custom domain is whether you want to use a subdomain setup. So this is where you have a little prefix before the main domain. So if you've got a website that you're already using that is, say, like mine, 9ranty.com, a subdomain would be like video.9ranty.com. The other option is a root domain, which is kind of like using the main domain. You only want to use this if you've got a spare domain that you can put all of your Tella videos on. So if I wasn't already using 9ranty.com as my personal website, then I could just use it here and then have the suffix, the sort of like ID and name of my video following it. So it'll be 9ranty.com/video blah blah blah. So first you want to choose which of these you want. I'm going to show you how to set up the subdomain option because that's probably going to be the most popular. You want to use the website or the domain that you're already using and have all of your Tella videos sort of connected to that. So select that and you can kind of see the preview of what I was talking about. Video, which is the sort of prefix, and then Tella.tv, which would be the main domain. If you check out the root option, you can see it's Tella.watch, and this is the whole domain. So I'm going to go to subdomain and I'm going to type in video.9ranty.com and then I'm going to submit that. Now you can see that we've got this subdomain that is pending some extra setup. Right now it's misconfigured. We haven't set it up. So that's what we're going to do. But there's some instructions so that you can set it up yourself. We need to add a CNAME record with this value here. And you want to do this in whatever you're using as your domain provider. In my case, I'm using AWS. So here in AWS, I am going to add a new record and I'm going to type in the subdomain that I want to use, which is video. And then I want to put in the value. Actually, first I need to change this to the CNAME record. There we go. Now I can paste in the value and the rest of this should be fine. I can hit create records. Amazon gives me the big blue thumbs up, and now we can head back to Tella to check that it's all looking good. So back in Tella, you can see we're getting this nice verified status, which means that our setup is complete and correct. If you're not getting that, you can hit the refresh option and that'll do another call to check to see if it is all working. But now that we're good to go, we can go and check how this looks for real on our video share pages, our video view page. So if I switch over here, you can see this is my personal website, 9ranty.com. And this is the domain that I want to use. Then I'm switching over to a video of mine that is on my sort of custom branded video page. But right now it's still using that Tella address. So if I just backspace this and now type in video.9ranty.com, that'll reload. And then you can see we've now got our video running on our custom domain. So I can go Command L there, you can see the video, and you can copy that link, and that'll give you the sort of prettified custom domain, and you're good to go. You can follow the same, roughly the same steps if you want to use a completely separate domain. So if you just wanted to do like your main domain without the subdomain, then you can also do that. But like I mentioned earlier, just don't use that if you've already got a live website running, because it'll override that and you don't want that. So yeah, that's custom domains. Have fun.